Hello there, it's me, Mateo Porras. Look, this is my next collection. After the postage one, here I give you newer ones. I give you a newer one. First off, let's take a look at this. This is the fireworks collection. That's what you get at a fireworks store called Big Mama's Fireworks. Okay, let's start this, guys. Alright, first off, let's start from here. Here's the TNT Moon Travel Bottle Rocket. You know that TNT? Well, this is the one that made poppets and sparklers. Then here's another one that look kind of sparklers. This is, I don't know, what does this say? Oh yeah. Safe and sane. Safe and sane. Blockbuster. That's what it's really called. Safe and sane and Blockbuster. Well, here's another one. This is by QC. This is Black Cat by Black Cat. Here's another one. This is what doesn't have it. And here's another one. This is not fireworks. These are, you know this. Got this. Incense. Oh look how it smells. Do you smell it? I will smell it. It tastes like, I don't know. Here's there's TNT smoke balls. That's what they're called. And here's this one. This is a crackly and crazy groundhog by TNT. Here's the Boomer Circus Peanuts. And this is the one.
That's cool.
It's a 10-ball magical shot. Oh, this is, I don't know.
That's cool. Did you record this one?
Oh, so highs. Okay, did. So then.
Which one is your favorite, Mateo?
Okay then. I will tell you what is my favorite. It's fluorescent.
Oh. You might get your face in it?
Stop it.
I'm not even doing it.
World class
And look
fireworks.
at the teapot.
And then here's the teapot by Boomer.
And look at the chicken poop.
Hey,
The chicken poop.
no.
Look at, he got the poop coming out his butt.
It's a chicken blowing balloon. Cute.
But you see the poop coming out right there?
No, stop it. Did you just stop hitting me?
Yeah, that'll hush you up.
Okay, now this is it. This is the double
Smoke
parachute
balls.
steak. I don't know what is it called. It's I don't know what is this by. Maybe this is like TNT or Black
The
Cat.
smoke balls.
Stop it. Okay, thanks for watching. Well, hey, go away. Get out of my stuff. Oh.
That was not necessary.
Oh, that's nice.